exciting journey in the next 25 years. So the president just recently inaugurated, President Prabowo is going to be on stage in, let's say, half an hour, is trying to push the economy from growing 5% in the last year. For Indonesia to get to the level of 8%, the digital infrastructure has to be there. And personally, I'm focusing also in our business capacity in the green industrialization. Because below the ground, Indonesia is blessed with critical minerals. Not only the fossil fuel, but also the copper, nickel, zinc. They are top 5 in the world in terms of the resource. So you can imagine if we can process those critical minerals with the renewable energy potentials above the ground, being in the equator. We have geothermal, hydro, solar, wind, by also protecting and one day capitalizing. We have to go beyond domestic consumption and also government spending, despite how efficient it is. And we believe those things are about FDI investments, export, as well as transformative industries. And the two come to mind for Indonesia is the digital industry as well as the green industrialization. So when we talk about digital infrastructure, it is certainly a very important and fundamental for Indonesia because this country of 280 million people, they are spread in 17,000 islands. Of course, it's a bit misnomer because we have 5 big islands like Java, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Sumatra, and Papua.